become used to talking about American politics in these hyper-polarized terms, so executives take over offices that require them to wield power. Quite a few of them are going to come into conflict with these well-defined ideological frameworks, liberals and conservatives. Both of these people were state attorneys general, but they are at the total opposite spectrum. Yet they were attorneys general at the same time, and in many ways behaved incredibly similarly because they had similar incentives. How much power should state prosecutors have? Liberal AGs are consistently more conservative in criminal cases than they are in non-criminal cases, and they're there demanding more prosecutorial power. AGs exhibit limited polarization on criminal cases, so recently, criminal issues became more salient, especially for liberals. The median voter probably moved left on criminal justice issues in blue states. That little twist at the end, that maybe all this is changing.